Traditionally, expanding the value your enterprise gets from GIS data is hard. Budget constraints, limited time, and expertise in web applications can prevent you from helping your entire organization work smarter with your GIS data. Now you can overcome these challenges with GeoData Link, a simple-to-use, zero-maintenance, and low-cost way to make your Esri-hosted data accessible to anyone in your enterprise, overlaid on high-resolution Nearmap imagery using the easy-to-use MapBrowser web app your team is already familiar with. To set up your GeoData Link, click your initials in the lower left-hand corner and choose My Account. Then select the Integrations tab, choose GeoData Links, and then click Create GeoData Link. From there, you'll want to name your GeoData Link. For this example, we'll name it Seattle Transit Test, and then you'll also want to paste in your URL you'll be pulling in data from. Go ahead and click Next, and then you can choose which layers you want to import. Click Continue, and the next two prompts will allow you to alter your preferences through color coordination and even searchability, for example, on the layers you're importing. Once you make your preferences, go ahead and click Finish, and we'll show you how to view your results. To view your results, head back to MapBrowser and select the Layers icon on the left-hand toolbar. Expand the data layers and look for your recently named GeoData Link. As you can see, Seattle Transit Test is here, along with the layers that we imported. I can apply these layers and get a clear look across high-resolution imagery at the information that I've pulled in. We'll also go ahead and take a look at another way you can use GeoData Link by showing you that you can overlay storm and water systems from cities. Cost-effective and simple to set up, no specialized GIS training needed, and a wide array of use cases supported to enable faster and better informed decisions across your enterprise. Talk to our team about setting up GeoData Link or other integrations today by reaching out to us or head to our Help Center to learn more.